How many of you want to learn how to create cash flow or grow your money? That's why we're here, yes? And so you need a strategy that's simple. You want certainty, and the only way you get certainty is by having rules. We're going to teach you how to make 10%, 20%, 30%, 40% and more.
And welcome on stage, Mr. Marcus De Maria!
By the way, how many of you want a really solid financial freedom structure where you're not worrying every day whether it's going to continue? We do, right? People come to me and they go, oh, Marcus, great, so I can learn this pillar here, trading and investing, and I can get rid of my job. What's the problem here? It's too risky. You want several of these, yes or no? You need to tell me what is money. And if you can't answer that, how are you going to get it? This is called accelerated learning. I ask questions, I stop, I tease you. Sometimes I don't even finish my sentence so that your mind fills in the... I do all of this because I want you to learn this. So 1 month you make 3%. Now it's going to be a tiny amount. So what do most people do when they make money? They spend it. That's why they're poor. They spend it, right? That's because you keep spending it. I'm going to put it here. I've added it here. Now, the first time I had this much. Next month I have this much. But now I'm going to make 3% again on this much. Well, that's more money. The second time is now more profit. It's more than that. But now I'm going to add this on top of here because I'm not going to spend it. Now I'm going to add even more. So now, and I'm going to keep doing the next time it's going to be like this. I'm going to put this there. So now it's like this. Now I'm making 3% of this. Blah, blah, blah. This is called compounding. And guess what? No one does it. Because we have been conditioned to give the institutions our money. I don't know how it happened, when it happened, but isn't it true? We just give them our money. We give funds our money. That's what we do. Why? Because our parents did. Why? Because their parents did. Of course you do. No, you don't. What you do is you take control of your finances.